Good day to my future employer. By the way, I introduce myself. My name is Jennifer D. Puster, 45 years old, high school graduate from Bataan, Philippines. I'm married, have 5 children. Age are 26, 25, 21, 9 years old, and 3 years old. 4 boys and 1 girl. I'm second sibling. My work experience as a nanny or domestic helper in Kuwait, in Hong Kong. First in Hong Kong, I served 3 members of the family, mom and sir, and 10 years old boy. My main duties: take care of children, prepare breakfast, prepare uniform, and take the school, helping the assignment, and teach basic English. Also, I do house chores, cleaning, cooking, iron, laundry, marketing, car wash. Also, I work in Kuwait. I serve 3 members of the family, mom and sir, a newborn baby, / 1 cat. My main duties: I focus the baby, give them milk, changing clothes, changing diaper, give vitamins, take a bath, and give sleeping with singing. Also, I do house chores, cleaning, cooking, iron, marketing, and take the 1 cat, give them milk, give them water, give them food, groom hair, clean cage. I'm hardworking person, honest, kind, flexible, trustworthy, and responsible. To my future employer, please give me a chance to work with you as your helper, and I promise I will do my best, and I promise I will treat your children as my own kids. Thank you, God bless, and see you.